welcome to my YouTube channel. Some technical issues, last week I didn't post any video. Today I am going to teach you coached work. Let's start. For coached work, we need thick thread. So we can use this Kamal thread. Otherwise, we can take like this ball, more thick than Kamal work thread. Otherwise, we can use this zari thread. It depends on our choice. You can use, this is anchor metallic thread. You can use all the 6 strands. You can go through cotton thread also. It depends on your design. I am going to show you how to do the leaf. First I took thick thread, green color. Start from here. Just you kept this thread like this. Now I took green color, light green, 2 strands thread anchor. Now you kept this dark green on this design and come out at A. Always use same color, otherwise you can take the fabric color also for overlapping and get down at other side B and come out at C. First I started at this side and overlap to this side, get down here and come out at again left hand side. Again right side, get down, come out at left side. If you feel this thread is loose, make it tight. Don't pull very tight. Here you can see the sharp point. There must and should you do 1 stitch. So that shape comes properly. You kept this thread proper way. Petal outline is finished. Now you get down 2 strands thread and again now you take the 6 strands thread and get down at here and come out at the, again middle line is there, there you come out. There also you should do like that only. Again you take 2 strands of thread, again start doing. Now design is over. Now you take the dark color and get down it here. Tie it at back side, both the threads. I am again explaining you how to do that couture work. Just you think line is like this. This is the thick thread. Okay. You come out at here. Now these lines are thin thread, 2 strands thread. You can make it little bit near or far. It depends on your design. Now come out at here. This is 1, here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this it will go. Now you can see finished couture work. I told you thick, this is a thick thread. Here A to B, B to C to D, E to F, like this it will come. Here I took same color thread for flower. Here I took for thick thread I took dark green. For thin thread I took light green. If you want, you can fill the petal here. You can go with same color thread. Otherwise, here I used red color. So here we can use light pink color also. So it looks shaded flower. just you fill like this nearby. It should come very near. It should come like this. Like this it should come. For this also you should do coached work. Like that, just you do like this. Get down here and come out very next. And again that thick thread should come like this. Like that you should fill. Here you can see the finished design. You can observe how near it is. Here it is the pallu. This design, thick thread started here, it went like this. And again end here, full only single thread. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.